everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be making the HHN cult favorite pizza fries. If you haven't watched my past video, go check it out. It's all about my experience in Halloween Horror Nights Universal this year, 2021. I have my ingredients lined up right here and let's get started. My ingredients are pepperoni, some crinkled fries, which are the kind they use at the event. I also got some mozzarella cheese. I would recommend that you add there another type of cheese, maybe some cheddar or something sharper to enhance the taste. And I also got some pizza sauce. Now, the original recipe does have some sausage. I just decided not to add any to mine. And I'm gonna be actually baking my fries. I do want my fries to be crunchy, so we'll see how they come out from the oven and hopefully they'll work out fine. So in Halloween Horror Nights, you get a dish like this one. So we're keeping on the aesthetic. Okay, so some of my fries are looking a little bit burnt, but nothing to worry about. So I decided to cover the bottom of my plate with some pizza sauce and some cheese, and then I started adding my fries and I just kept layering fries, then some marinara sauce or pizza sauce and some cheese over and over until I was done with all my fries. So as you can see here, it's really starting to come together. I actually didn't expect it to look so good at the end. And what I did is I left the pepperoni until the end to just top it off. And as you can see here, I was very excited looking at everything come together. This is what it looked like before I placed everything in the oven. I just topped it off with some pepperoni and I left it in the heat a little bit, and this is the end result. So yeah, I'm super happy with the end result. Let's try it out. Magic is kind of hard, guys. I want to get it like with everything.
Okay, so this is a good bite. Yeah.
It's good. It's very marinara-y. Like, I wish I had some pasta in there or something, but it's still really good. With the pepperoni, it gives it that touch. So I'm very happy that I got to make these. Do they taste like the real thing? I can't really tell you because I've actually never tried pizza fries, which is kind of disappointing and sad. But I mean, I'll let you know next year when I go again to Halloween Horror Nights if it was up to par. I will recommend that you don't bake your fries and you actually fry them. It'll make your life a whole lot easier and it'll make this faster because I feel like I've been cooking this for like hours now. But other than that, I think it's really easy to make. There's really few ingredients, especially if you're not making it from scratch and just doing it with bought sauce and everything. But yeah, I think it's really good. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.